Okay, dear student, let's continue talking about this comparative and superlative adjectives. For now, we are going to try to practice using these exercises. Comparatives are used to show the difference between two objects. Let's say that I have two cars. For example, I have a little Toyota and a before. And comparative is used to show the difference between the two. The Ford is big, so we can say the Ford is bigger, as I told you in the first PowerPoint. Number one, if an adjective has one syllable, we add the ending er, er to the adjective. For example, small, smaller, smaller than, hard, harder than. The ant is smaller than the hippopotamus. Rule number two is if one syllable adjective ends with a consonant plus a vowel plus a consonant, you must double the last consonant and then add er. For example, big, bigger, fat, fatter. The elephant is fatter than the giraffe. Rule number three is an adjective ends with n. Y, remove the y and add ier. For example, happy, happier, funny, funnier. The girl is happier than the dog. Rule number four. If an adjective has two syllables or more without a, y, then add the word more before the word. If the adjective ends with a y, you will only add the word more if it has three syllables or more. For example, more beautiful than, expensive, more expensive than, satisfactory, more satisfactory than. The butterfly is more beautiful than the frog. There are a few exceptions. For example, good, better than, bad, worse than, far, farther than. Remember, when using a comparative, you must always follow it with the word than. For example, the Toyota is smaller than the Ford. The Ford is bigger than the Toyota. The ant is smaller than the hippo. The elephant is fatter than the giraffe. The girl is happier than the dog. The butterfly is more beautiful than the dog. Now, superlative adjective. Superlatives are used to show the difference between more than two syllables, two objects. Let's say that I have three cars. I have a little Toyota, a medium-sized Jeep, and a big Ford. A superlative is used to show the difference that is sitting in the group. The Ford is big, the Ford is biggest, because the Toyota is small. We can say the Toyota is the smallest. To learn to use this, we need to learn 5 basic rules. Number 1, if an adjective has one syllable, we add the ending est to the adjective. For example, small, the smallest, hard, the hardest. Rule number 2 is if a one syllable adjective ends with a consonant plus a vowel plus a consonant, you must double the last consonant and add est. For example, big, the biggest, fat, the fastest. The hippo is the fastest. Rule number 3 is an adjective end with y, remove the y and add est. Ist. For example, happy, the happiest. Funny, the funniest. The elephant is the heaviest. Rule number 4. If an adjective has two syllables or more without while, then add the word most before the word. If the adjective ends with a while, you will only add the word most. If it has three syllables or more, for example, beautiful, most, the most beautiful. Expensive, the most expensive. Satisfactory, the most satisfactory. There are a few exceptions. For example, good, the best, bad, the worst, far, the farthest. Toyota is the smallest. The Ford is the biggest. Brad Pitt is the most handsome. The airplane is the most expensive. Jim Carrey is the funniest. This was all for now, dear students. I hope, dear student, that you have understand this explanation for you. And I hope for the next class I will explain to you a little more about these topics. It's all for now, dear students, and I hope to see in the next class. Bye. See you.